Good morning, kids. Let us compare amounts today. Our objectives are identify a way of measuring non-countable items and finding the equivalent measurement to a given measure. Can you count this? Of course not. We cannot say 1 water, 2 waters, or even 10 waters. Water is an example of non-countable items or things. Non-countable items are items that we cannot count one by one. Examples are all liquids, rice, milk, and many more. So how do we measure liquids and other non-countable items? We use containers to measure them. Here are some examples of containers that are used in measuring non-countable items. Let us compare some measuring containers. We have here some examples of equivalent measurements, like 1 cup can be filled by 16 tablespoonfuls of non-countable items. And we have here a bottle that can be filled by 4 glasses of non-countable items. Knowing these equivalences, I can tell you that 2 cups can be filled by 32 spoonfuls of non-countable materials. Now let us apply the idea of equivalences and answering these questions. If 4 teaspoons can fill 1 tablespoon, so how many tablespoons can be filled by 12 teaspoons? To answer this question, we need to consider the equivalent measurements that were given. That in 1 tablespoon, it can be filled by 4 teaspoons. The 12 teaspoons can be grouped into 4 pieces. Each group can fill 1 tablespoon. In 12 teaspoons, we can have 3 groups of 4 teaspoons. So they can fill 3 tablespoons. Let us have another example. If 1 pot can fill 3 bowls, how many bowls can 3 pots fill? Good job! There will be 9 bowls that can be filled by 3 pots. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions. Let me show you the answers. That's all for today, kids. Remember, learning will never stop. So I will be leaving you with this puzzle. Can you answer this? Bye!